I pull up, like, how you pull up, baby?
Hi, welcome back again to my channel. So I've decided to host a melody sound every Fridays, so we get to listen to like different genres, like from your gospel to my piano to hip-hop, any genre. But then today I'll be listening to the Amapiano genre because our December was not a normal December. So why not start with Amapiano? This will be my top 5 to 7 Amapiano songs that I'll be listening to. While I'm listening to Amapiano, I'll be sipping on the Corona Extra. As you know, your girl, you never go wrong with Corona Extra. So let's have a sip and then listen to the sound. So right now playing is Jesse Disciples featuring Mr. Jesse Q and Basta. I don't know the name of the song, but then yeah.
Nasule babafuna left and right Sule babafuna phansi nabafana bejezi disciples Ntwana sule babafuna phansi Ntwana sule babafuna left and right Sule ukuthi babafuna phansi nabafana bejezi disciples Ebafuna bayijove Ebafuna bayikhenike Ebafuna basenzele bayidedele yonke Ebafuna bayijove Ebafuna bayikhenike Ebafuna basenzele left and right Sule babafuna phansi nabafana bejezi disciples Ntwana sule babafuna phansi.
So yeah, that was Mr. Jesse Q with Jesse Disciples, Rismatlisa. Aha. The next song that I'll be playing, this song is close to my heart, like Young Hafisha, like this song, guys. This song was made for me, hey? This song, yeah. So let's play the song. Just hear my song, people. Hear my song.
Winner. No. Aye, winner.
Uthando lunga ikwa
You raised me, you nurtured me. My everyday, my pride and joy. Ungubambo lwami. Njenge ngenxa yakho, njenge impatho yakho, njenge uthando lwakho. Yabulela baby. I am who I am today. Uwe bambo lwami. I am who I am today.
Like this song indumisha mojolo. This song like yo guys ini hari joleng bathong let's date people, let's date. Uthando ukhona ngaphandle, uthando ukhona ngaphandle. So right now I'll be playing again Busta and Mr. Jesse Q, City. Yeah, City.
Aha. 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 Anana, yelele, oh no, city, how party city, anana, yelele, oh no, how party anana, yelele, oh no, city, how party anana, yelele, oh no. Bathi mina ngibumba awafaka unomthanda anana yelele no bathi mina ngibumba awafaka unomthanda anana yelele no.
Bana bako, hi, let's be honest. Jesse Disciples and Busta, December nerutuma ka bona. December shem. These people, hi man, hi. Please open the country. We want to rock. We miss our people. We miss our happy land. The next song that I'll be listening to is Monate by Fake Love featuring Vocalist and Masterpiece. Bare Monate. Banyana bampata kankan. Ebare
Monate, banyana bampata kankan. But there's something about me. They say I'm alive for the party. The party. Put it to me guanti. Godora de borosina. Me guanti. The mata de bo Maria.
Kande vlogo genye wayong kalala na pan Pazulu abulela pada hebara bang rada kinyaganda bamububilo kilaga pagas Shameno nya ka shampas alalinaw nya ka lalas La 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 lit. Akinamusin.
So yeah, that was Munati. Banyana Vampata Kankana. It was Fake Love featuring Vocalist and Masterpiece Munati. So next I'll be playing Shigubuse Munati. Yo guys, let me just dedicate this whole video to Jesse Disciples. Like Bashman Babantata. Humunati, like Humunati guys, Humunati. By Jesse Disciple. Like guys, I'm literally sweating. Melody Sound, guys, Melody Sound. Please don't miss Melody Sound every Friday. Every Friday we'll be hosting the Melody Sound, please. So now we're turning the tables. I'll be playing DJ Obza Mandakiwe.
Inkinga ya Mandakiwe Yenza kupela Nkuluma kupela Inkinga ya Mandakiwe Yenza kupela Nkuluma kupela I'm sorry if I did you wrong Yazu zantoleda I'm sorry if I did you wrong Yazu zantoleda I'm sorry if I did you wrong Yazu zantoleda I'm sorry if I did you wrong. Yazu zantoleda. Yes, Mandakiwe sikumbula luto. Mandakiwe akiko somjela. Yes, Mandakiwe sikumbula luto.
So yeah, that was Obza Mandakiwe. Right now I'll be playing Itlo's Lamb or Close Lamb, something like that. the second last song, I'll be playing Amanzi by Major League, featuring Tyler and Tebzin.
Pensakwela uwe podi lawo manzi owa buzayo Pensakwela uwe dali lawo manzi owa buzayo Pensakwela uwe podi lawo manzi owa buzayo Nginxaniwe nginxanelwe lawo manzi owa buzayo I'm thirsty, just for me. Lawo manzi, owa buzayo. Lawo manzi, I'm thirsty, just pour me a manzi. I'm thirsty, just pour me a manzi. I'm thirsty, just pour me a manzi. Said I'm thirsty, just pour me a manzi.
Right now I'm playing the last song which is Mr. Jesse Q featuring Basta. There's nothing we can do. So I'll be playing not the normal one, VSOP.
uNkulunkulu ngiyazi ukuthi ngisesemncane kodwa ngifuna ukwenza imali ngikwazi ukusibhayela idatha ibhayi idatha ngikwazi ukondla umndeni wami akusuthi umndeni ngikwazi ukusibhayela isidwadwa ngibe muhle ngiyomotsha ngiyojive ishu nginatsoke mntana nami natsoke sithi akwi-VSOP node nomalwane natsoke iheni natsoke mntana nami natsoke sithi akwi-VSOP node nomalwane natsoke iheni natsoke dawe
Bumper side to side Iphethe labantwana abaninasi Ufike ngamosha fa Ufike ngabhenga chat Bathi suma with no rush Bumper side to side uphethela abantwana abaninzi ufike ngamoshafa ufike ngabhenga chucks bathi zuma wino bayangena bayaphuma sibabheki bayaphithise isikhathi awusikhathi bathini man amaroto na hayi amaroto engathunamba nopha achesi adango inside
So thank you guys for tuning into my video. We are all exhausted and this is the end of the video, so please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. Also like, I'm exhausted, like, comment, share, and let's all be happy and merry. Cheers, boy.
Inganekwa ifuna ukwazi ifuna ulazi ngoba uyazi intwana yami ngicela wenze ngathi uyazi uvela ukuza amanzi ngake indaba zakho inganekwa ifuna ukwazi ifuna ulazi ngoba uyazi intwana yami ngicela wenze ngathi uyazi